Yes, good morning children. Very good morning children. Did you had your milk? Yes, very good. Now tell me children, you had your milk, right? Now where do you get your milk? Who supplies you the milk? Very good. You get the milk from the dairy. Milkman sometimes come to your house and drops the milk. Okay. Now your father reads the newspaper. Who drops the newspaper? Very good. Newspaper man, he drops the newspaper. And that is how you get the newspaper and you read the newspaper. So children, what is happening over here? Now there is a milk person who supplies milk to you. There is a paper man who delivers the newspaper to your house so that you can read the news, what is going on in the world. And there is a vegetable, you eat vegetables to get healthy. From where do you get this vegetable? Vegetable vendor comes to your house and gives the vegetable. Right children? So what are they doing? They all are helping each other. We all are helping each other. Now as a people, as a human being, we have to help each other. Yes. So children, here also in our neighborhood, in people where we stay, people in our neighborhood, nearby, in our left side, in our right side, everywhere, there are many people who help us in indirect way. They help us to make our work very easy. Now, suppose you have got lots of money. Nowhere it is not safe to keep that money in the house. Now, children, now there are many people. Suppose if you have lots of money. Now, where you will keep that money? Good. You will keep that money in a bank. Because it is not safe to keep lots of money, jewelry in the house. You will keep in a bank. So children, like that, there are many people who help us. If we help each other to make our work easy, we can come together. So now let us learn who are those people who help us in our neighborhood. Who are those people who makes our work easy? Let us learn today's poem, that is poem number 4, that is all around the neighbor. What is today's poem? Today's poem, let us learn today's poem all around neighborhood. What is today's poem? All around neighborhood. Now let us learn the poem. All around the neighborhood, people help each other. The driver on the bus helps the girl and the mother. Now, children, what happens? As I told you, all around neighborhood, where we stay, we have medical shop where we can get the medicine. They help us to get the medicine. We have vegetable market. They help us to provide vegetable. So here in this poem, they say that in our neighborhood there are many people who help us out. So driver is on the bus. Now you come to school. How do you come to school? Suppose if you are too late. Suppose if you stay a bit far. Who is there to come to school? Who is there to pick up you from the school? Bus driver, right? So driver puts you in the bus and he drives the bus to the school so that you are very easily you can come to school and quickly. Then there is a mother and the girl. So mother and the girl, they want to eat the meat. So the meat is not nearby. It is somewhere far. So mother and the daughter and her girl, they go into the bus and the bus driver help them to go to the meat butcher. The girl and her mother see the butcher for the meat. The butcher leaves a letter the postman down the street. So what happens, children? Now, mother and her daughter, they want to eat meat. But meat, the person who cuts the meat is called butcher. So, that person is somewhere far. So, the bus driver helps mother and daughter to get into the bus, and he he drops them to the butcher, and that butcher, he cuts the meat, he helps him. So what butcher does? Now mother and daughter wants to eat meat, so they will go to the bus driver, helps the mother and daughter, and he takes them, he drops them to the butcher, and that butcher, he cuts the meat, he helps them to eat the meat. Then the butcher, now children, now I want to post Rakhi, I want to send Rakhi. How will I send Rakhi to Bombay? I cannot go in one day to Bombay. So I will post my Rakhi, I will put those Rakhis in envelope. So who will help me to post the letter? That is the postman. Who will help me? Postman. So children, postman will help. So here also butcher wants to send. He wants to drop the letter to his relative who is staying far. So who is that? Postman. So children, see, this is mother, this is girl. She helps. This is a meat butcher. This meat butcher helps mother daughter to cut the meat and give them so that they can happily eat and enjoy the meat. Now this butcher, he wants to send the letter. So who will help? This is postman. This postman will take the letter from this butcher, and this butcher will take the letter from the postman, and this butcher will send this butcher's letter. Postman will send this letter of this butcher to the post office, and he will help him to send to the near one. Now this postman asks the barber. Now he is barber. Who is barber? Barber who cuts your hair so that you should look good. Okay. So now postman mustache. Mustache means in Kannada ನಾವು ಮೀಶಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, mustache, that is what? Mustache. Postman mustache is too long. So barber helps postman to cut his mustache and look good. Okay. So children, now as you know, butcher sends the letter to the postman, and postman helps to drop the letter of that butcher to the near and dear ones. Then postman mustache, now your hair has grown too. Who will help you? Suppose if your mother knows the cutting, she will help. But if your mother is very busy in her household work, so who will help you to cut the hair? Barber will help you to cut the hair. Barber will help. Yeah. So barber will cut your hair to look good. So here postman mustache was very big. So barber helped the postman to cut the mustache and to make the mustache small so that the barber would look good. Then barber cuts the hair. Now all the hair are drops. Postman asks the barber to trim the mustache. Barber sweeps the hair up and puts all to the stretch. Now barber has trimmed the postman mustache. Now all the hair has fallen down. So barber cleans all the hair. He sweeps the hair means what? He cleans the hair and put it in the trash. What do you mean by trash, children? What do you mean by trash? Trash means it is a garbage like dustbin. You throw all the waste things on the dustbin. So that is called trash. So here barber puts all the hair which he has cut to the trash. To the trash means what? To the garbage, to the dustbin. All waste particles, all unwanted thing you put in the dustbin, or that is called trash. Then trash collector. Now you have put all the garbage on the street. Who will collect the garbage? Very good. That garbage person. You know, every day near your house that garbage person comes. He tells, put the garbage. Kasa hakri antarla. Those people help to keep your surroundings clean. So here we will see trash collector stops when a fire truck clangs its bell. The firefighters join the police, who make sure all is well. So now what happens when the barber put all his hairs in the dustbin? Now who comes? Trash collector means that garbage. The people who pick up the garbage, you know, in your area they must be coming to pick up the garbage. So the garbage collector, the trash collector, he comes, he picks up all the garbage and he sweep the floors, he sweep the road, he sweep the footpath, so that your surrounding, the footpath and the road near your house is clean. Okay. Then the fire truck clangs the bell. Clangs means what? Clang. Have you ever heard the fire brigade? Have you ever heard the fire brigade bell? Have you ever heard fire brigade bell? The fire brigade bell is a metallic bell. Tang 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 tang. It keeps on ringing. So when the fire bell keeps on ringing, that means it is giving the message. Now fire brigadier, he can't shout and say that there is a danger, but so to inform everyone that there is danger, the fire bell keeps on ringing with a loud metallic bell. So the fire brigadier and the police, the poet of this poem, he says the fire brigadier and the police, they come together and help the people to come out of the danger. They ask people to be safe. They protect the people to be safe. Okay. All around the neighborhood, there is lot that people do. All around the neighborhood, who helps you? So children, now where you stay, nearby, everywhere around your house. Suppose you are staying here. Here is the vegetable vendor. Here is the mart. Here is the milkman. Here is the flower person. Okay. Here is the photo shop. So wherever you go, all the corner, there must be the shops nearby. Where you stay, children, all around the corner, all around the four sides of the corner. Don't you see, there must be many shops. All these shops, Xerox shop, ice cream shop, all these shops, what they do? They help you. They help you in many different ways. If where you are staying, suppose this is your house, this is a shop, this is the milkman. This is your house, this is the milkman. Milkman gives you milk. This is vegetable man. Vegetable person gives you vegetable. This is the ice cream shop. Ice cream shop man gives you many ice cream. This is the flower shop. The flower shop gives you the flowers so that you can put those flowers to the goddesses and take the blessing. So children, there are many people who help us. So we all have to be helpful to each other. Okay, so now let us learn the poem afterwards. So learn the poem, sing the poem and be helpful to each other. Okay children, thank you.